every day do something that will inch you to closer to tomorrow. Okay, closer to tomorrow. So do something. Start a fresh morning with deep breath. Okay, now you can go to the class. Now here we are going to see words often used. Okay, words often used means continuously we are using in day to day life. The words which are using in Hindi, now we are going to see the words. Now the first one is antariksh. Okay, antariksh means space. Antariksh. Okay, antariksh means space. Okay, then second one is akal. अकल इज इंटेलिजेंट, इंटेलिजेंस. उस बच्चा का अकल बहुत अच्छा है. उस बच्चा का अकल बहुत अच्छा है मीन्स दैट चाइल्ड इज सो इंटेलिजेंट. नाउ आकाशमान. ओके, अकस्मात, that is unexpectedly. Unexpectedly, that is akasman. Unexpectedly, unexpectedly I meet my friend. I meet my friend. Okay, we can say it in Hindi. akasman मैं मेरी सहेली को मिली. आज मैं मेरी सहेली को मिली. Then अकल. अकल is famine. अकल is famine. Then achar. You all know achar means pickle. Okay, we are in India we are having many types of pickle. Mango pickle, lemon pickle, ginger pickle, etc. Like that we are using in South Indians. The pickle is more important, more important with in curd rice. Okay, curd rice and a mango pickle is enough. Okay, now the sixth one is ajnabi. Ajnabi means stranger. Ajnabi, stranger. Okay, don't say anything to a stranger. Okay, अजनबी को कुछ भी, अजनबी से कुछ भी मत बोलो, कुछ भी मत बोलो. Then अधूरा. अधूरा is incomplete. अधूरा is incomplete. मेरी घर की काम अधूरा है. मेरी घर की काम अधूरा है means my house is incompleted. The work of my house is incompleted. Then anmol. Anmol is precious. Precious. Okay, precious. Hira is a anmol. Sees high. Okay, diamond is a precious one. Then amir. Amir is rich man. Okay, एक अमीर आदमी गरीबों की मदद करता है. एक अमीर आदमी गरीबों की मदद करता है means rich man helps the poor. Then अरमान. अरमान means desire. Desire. मेरा अरमान अध्यापिका होना है. Okay, I desire to become a teacher. Then alvida. Alvida is farewell. Now we are saying that in these ages all the students giving their farewell while going to the next class. Okay, we are going to the next class. Alvida means farewell. मेरी अलविदा मुझे याद है. Okay, the farewell party of my college is, I am remembering the farewell party of my college. Okay, then awal. Awal means first. Okay, awal means first here. सचिन क्रिकेट मैच में अव्वल हो गए. ओके, सचिन क्रिकेट मैच में अव्वल हो गए मीन्स सचिन गॉट फर्स्ट प्राइज इन द क्रिकेट मैच. ओके, देन असर. असर इज effect. Asar means effect. Here we can say that मेरी असर अपनी बहन में है. Okay, the effect of mine is given to my sister. Okay, then andolan. Andolan means agitation. Okay, andolan means agitation. कारखाने की आंदोलन में मैं भाग गया. कारखाना की आंदोलन में मैं भाग गया means the agitation of factory, I am the leader of that factory. Okay, then Andi, Andi is tempest. Okay, tempest means a big storm, we can say that it is a big storm. Andi means, okay, nowadays we can see in the seashores, Andi ho rahi hai. Okay, Sahar mein Andi ho rahi hai. Okay, then the 16th one, now Aag. Okay, Aag means fire. Okay, don't touch the fire. Aag ko mat chuo. Okay, aag ko mat chuo. Then aina, aina is mirror. आईना मीन्स मिरर्स, मुझे एक आईना की ज़रूरत है, और मुझे एक आईना चाहिए, आई वांट अ मिरर. ओके, आत्मविश्वास, आत्मविश्वास मीन्स सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, हर एक आदमी को अपने पर आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए, हर एक आदमी को अपने पर आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए. एवरीबडी हैज़ टू इम्प्रूव the self confidence. Next is आदत, आदत is habit. Okay, सबेरे चाय पीना मेरा आदत है. Okay, daily morning drinking tea is my habit. Okay, then other, other is respect. Okay, बड़ों का आदर करना है, we have to respect the elder peoples, बड़ों का आदर करना है. Then next one is आदेश, आदेश mean order. Okay, मेरी माँ मुझे आदेश दिया है कि मुझे अच्छा पढ़ना है, कि मुझे अच्छा पढ़ना है. My mother ordered me to learn very well. Okay, then the next one is आबादी, आबादी means पॉपुलेशन. भारत की आबादी बढ़ रही है, भारत की आबादी बढ़ रही है मीन्स द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज इंक्रीजिंग नाउ. देन आम, आम वी आर हैविंग द two meanings, that is one is mango, we all know, one is mango, we all know. The next one is common. Okay, आमदनी, आमदनी लोग means common people, आमदनी लोग means common people. Next one is आम, mango, आम खाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा फल है. ओके, मुझे आम बहुत पसंद है, I like mango. Then आमदनी, आमदनी is income. Okay, income, here income means the people who are in the poor level, they cannot take any income. Okay, आमदनी. Okay, आमदनी. Then आयकर, आयकर means income tax, आयकर mean income tax, everybody has to pay income tax. Then आराम. Okay, आराम means rest, बूढ़े लोगों को आराम करना चाहिए. Okay, elder people have to take rest, elder people have to take rest. Then आरोप, आरोप means charge. Okay, पुलिस वाले हर गाड़ी में लाइसेंस के बिना चलने वाले को आरोप कर रहे हैं. Okay, police charges who did not having the license. Then आशा, आशा means hope. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप अच्छी तरह पढ़िए, I hope you all understand. Then इज्जत, इज्जत is respect, here also we can take the meaning as respect, इज्जत. Okay, गांधी जी की इज्जत करो, give respect to elders, give respect to गांधी जी. Then इनकलाब, इनकलाब is revolution. Okay, we can see in the old cinemas while we are fighting, we fought between the British people. Okay, the people always say that Inqilab. Okay, Inqilab Jindabad, we can say. Okay, Inqilab means revolution. Okay, now let us see the meanings. Antariksh means space. Okay, Akal, Akal is intelligence. Then Akasman, unexpectedly. Then akal is famine. Achar, pickle. Ajnabi, stranger. Okay, don't say anything to the stranger. Then adura, incomplete. Okay, then anmol, precious. Moti is a anmol thing. Amir means rich man. Arman, desire. Alvida, okay, farewell. Awwal is first. Asar is effect. Andolan is agitation. Then andi is tempest. Now Ag is fire. Then Aina is mirror. Atmavishwas, self-confidence. Self-confidence. Then Adat is habit. Adar, respect. Here also we can say Izzat also respect. Then Adesh, order. Okay, मैं आदेश दिया अपने बच्चे को अच्छी पढ़ने के लिए. I order my people to study well. Abadi is population. We are having two meanings for the one is common, the next one is mango. Then Amdani is income. Aikar is income tax. Aram, rest. Arop, charge. Asha, hope. Izzat is respect also. Here Inqilab means revolution. Okay, can you understand? Is it clear?